ahead and get after her, I suppose. And here we've got the 680, and I was looking for that. She's ready to go. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, eat some dinner, and we'll get ready to go combining. Alrighty, we're back after dinner. I'm grabbing the seat tender. I got my camera gear here in this fancy bag looking deal. 2 combines left. I'm grabbing the seed tender. We're gonna go do some calibrating here. I'm gonna go ahead, hop on this grain cart here, and then I'm gonna fire up, and I guess we're gonna just give her. Hard. I gotta untar my cart yet too. Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my pickup quick. I gotta head and get some stuff to drink with. Across the yard here quick. Came to run the combine now, so let's go ahead and get after her, I suppose. Put this thing into medium rabbit. I'm already, am I 3/4 full? No, but I'm getting darn close to her. So alright, I'll set you down now. I gotta get combining. Yeah, no, where though? No. Yeah, we were for a second. I don't think we'll need your help. We don't want another one sitting in the way.
For a new screen door, your dad's probably glad to be rid of me.
other trucks here, so I'm gonna see if I got any room left on me or not. See if I can go a little farther or not. So, but I'm thinking that I'm gonna be a little full up there. This is a big unit here. Well, we got a semi broke down. Throwing a wrench in the system here. Because usually we need 3 semis, or else we sit here and wait like we are. Well, my combine's empty, but that one is not, so. And well, we got maybe half the field done, I'd say, so. Yeah, waiting on trucks. I could probably get combining, but we're waiting for a mechanic. And he goes ahead and starts dumping. I got her 4/4 full. Can you see her yet? Yeah, she's full. Up to the edge. And would you look at that, it's raining. It's a good time for it to rain, huh? Yep. Please hold off. I'm full. Ah, Jesus, now it's really going. Yippee. To the edge. Let's give her. Get in my cab. It's nice and not rainy. just hit 4/4 full. Truck got here. He's about 3/4 full, I'd say. With combine number 2 there. So I'm gonna go ahead and head back and dump. We'll play by there. We'll see what goes on after that. It'd be nice if we could get that little chunk done there, but he's going to park it. We're gonna call her, I'm thinking. I'd like to get my combine empty. So, you know, we can tarp the grain cart, but it's a little hard to do that, you know.